to show you how to download an SVG file from Close to My Heart that you purchase and upload it to your cutting software in your computer. Now I'm using a Mac, so I'm going to go to the Close to My Heart page, and I'm using Safari. So, okay, I'm shopping with myself. I'm going to go to over here to my account. You click on that, and then over here it shows Digital Library. So we're going to click on Digital Library, and this brings up everything that you have bought from them as SVGs. So I haven't done the floral wreath, so let's upload that or download it. You hit the download over here, and I'm going to save it to my desktop, and this is the name that it's under. So we'll hit save, and then we can close this, and it will be on my desktop. So I just need to find it right here, floral wreath. Okay, so we'll make sure it's there. Now we're going to go down and open Design Space, which is right here. And here is a blank canvas. So I'm going to go over here to upload and hit upload image. Browse. This is to find it. Now I know I saved it on my desktop. And I'm going to look for the wreath. And here it is right here. And you can scroll through to find out where it is. And they're alphabetical, so mine is easy to find. So floral wreath, and hit open. And it brings it in. If it's not what you wanted, then you can just go back. And I'm going to hit upload, but before I do that, I'm going to go up here to image name, and I'm going to put in some extra words to help me search for this, and that would be CTMH, which is abbreviated Close to My Heart, and then I'll also type in Close to My Heart, and that way I can search for it, whoops, under any of these terms. Now hit upload. And then it's here. Okay, all my recent uploads. So I'll click on it, and I'll say it's down right here. I could click on all of these, and they would all show up. But I don't want to add these right now. So I'm going to just use the wreath, and I'm going to hit add to canvas. And there it is on the canvas. It's a gorgeous cut file. Okay, so now I can go in and cut that, but I want to also save it. So here save comes up, and I'll save it to floral wreath. And this will save it into my projects. And I'll hit down here for collections for Close to My Heart and save. Okay, it says it was saved. Now I'm going to go to my projects. And I can go to my projects anytime. And there it is under floral wreath. Now what will happen is I'll bring in a whole bunch of SVGs for each collection. For instance, here's all the ones for Backyard Bliss. There's another one for Backyard Bliss, but that's a little more organized. There's one for Beach Party, and so on. So you can put all your SVGs in one project, so you can have them all in one area, which makes it nice. And then you just hit the project, and it will bring it up for you. Okay? Hope that helps. Take care.